Hey guys, so now I just want to compare the specs here a little bit on the brand new Samsung Galaxy Round smartphone versus the Galaxy Note 3, because these phones are pretty similar in a lot of things. First, they are both new phones, and then they are also very big phones. They share many of the same specs, like the processor, the display size, the camera. So we do have the new Galaxy Round that just got unveiled here, and it's a new phone here, which is a little bit random because it's a curved phone, which definitely is interesting here. It shares the same, as I said, the display size. It's thinner, and you can see some pictures of it. You can see it kind of shares the same kind of leather back there, and you can see it's an interesting phone. We also have rumors here that LG also will unveil a pretty cool phone like this. You can see here that how much curved it is. Wow, that's interesting. Probably not soon, or very soon. Probably going to see cool total like round phones, like a baseball. I'm not sure. Okay, so here we do have the Note 3, of course, also that got unveiled, and it's out now on the market. Has the amazing S Pen. It's a little bit thinner, but it shares a normal display, which could be good to know. So, what is different when we talk about the specs? Well, first of all, the brand new Galaxy Round is an LTE advanced phone, so it comes with the latest LTE speeds, and this is the same as Samsung has unveiled like an S4 variant that also has LTE advanced, I'm pretty sure, but it's not available for the Note 3 at the moment. And that's interesting. This phone is also going to come out exclusively on the carrier SK Telecom tomorrow in October, or October 10th in Korea. The weight here, it's also a little bit less weight there, 154 grams instead of 168. Of course, you don't get the S Pen on the Galaxy Round, and that's a big selling point for the Galaxy Note series. 8.3, it shares 7.9 millimeters in thickness, so it's a little bit thinner also versus 8.3 millimeters on the Galaxy Note 3. What else is it that's interesting? Well, a big thing that's different between these two devices is that they share different batteries. So just because probably this is a curved display, they can't have as big batteries. So 2,800 milliamps instead of the Galaxy Force. The Galaxy Note 3s. I mean, the Galaxy Note 3 is 3,200 milliamps. And that's a 400 milliamp difference. It is between 2,800 milliamps. That's between the S4 and the Note 3. So it's not super bad battery. But it's not something rocket science either, but should be good for now. It only comes in a color, also luxury brown at the moment, that Samsung is calling it, the Galaxy Round, while the Note 3 is coming in black, white, and pink colors at the moment. This shares the same GPU, the Adreno 330, same CPU, quad-core 2.3 GHz, same chipset, Snapdragon 800, and the latest version of Android 4.3, a 30-megapixel shooter, 2-megapixel secondary camera, and video recording, let's see here, 1080p at 60 frames per second on both. Of course, the Galaxy Note 3 also comes in a bunch of different variants. One variant is coming with Exynos 5 Octa, 5420, and the Cortex A15, quad-core 1.9 GHz. So that's interesting, but they are very similar. The big difference, of course, is the curved display, and that could also make the display more durable when you drop it, which could be interesting. They could also make it more ergonomically better to hold, that it doesn't feel as big as a Note phone. So interesting idea, very interesting, and I'm not really sure if it's going to come to other markets. Probably going to, hopefully, if it becomes a success. So stay tuned for that. But the Galaxy Round, it's an interesting phone. Yeah, peace out.